on my vlog. Well, what am I doing today? This is the 21st of April, and today I'm gonna go complete my last tool that I'm gonna need for my business, and it is a car lift. And it is an hour and a half from where I live, and it is snowing, raining, and blowing all at the same time. Well, there it is. It's gonna make my life a lot easier when it comes to doing my automotive work now. So now the trick is to get it. Get her home in the backwoods of New York Highland section here. So we'll get it home and get it set up, and we will get things a little bit better. That is snow rolling this way. It is ugly. Winds are about 20 miles an hour. And I've been getting blown around quite a bit. And I'm running away from it, but it's coming. It's going to hit Wayland here, where I'm going home to. So it is ugly. This is not a pretty picture here. It is starting to get bad. I've been in and out of it all day, but this is going to be the worst of it. And I'm coming home. You can see how it's whipping across here now. Man, the sky's over my head. And of course I just went around. Now I got to go back into it, and here it is. This is really bad. It's not even completely here yet. It's following me. I'm going away from it. This is the 21st of freaking April, and we're still getting snow. See across the freaking field out there. It's right over. Temperatures are perfect. We're right around 30, between 32 and 38. Now I'm out of it. Now I'm running away from it. It's gonna catch up with me here in a second. Yeah. It's over there. I gotta go into it. It's on either side of me. It's starting to get the cornfield white. And these aren't really snow. They're snowflakes, but I mean they're more ice. They're more ice coated than they are actual snow. Trying to get my lift garage done. I got half of the metal up. I'm going into it. And I'm gonna run away from it again here in a minute. I'm running away from it again, but it's circling around now. We lasted a little bit of light, and the rest of it's gonna be snow. Man. Ugly. Okay, unfortunately I gotta go hot and heavy into it now. It's right over the house. Ay. Alright, we're looking good. It blew over. Got us all freaking covered and melted out. So I'm home. Thank God. I got this home with got this lift home with no issues. You're just kind of thinking, because of the fact that it weighs probably about about 600-700 pounds, I'm thinking. And I'm just haven't been sure about the frame under there. You know, I put grade 8 bolts, and I had to drill through the main frame, both sides. And it's been solid, and I've used it several times. The last time I used it was dragging the Swisher mower home, but I wasn't sure how this one was going to work, because the Swisher was able to sit right on the axles, and the weight was on the axles. This thing here, good percentage of the weight is on the ball, so which means it's pushing down on those bolts on the frame. So I'm gonna inspect it when I get home, but we're home now, and if they're still solid, then I've had no issues hauling anything else under about 2,000 pounds, as far as I'm concerned. So anyway, and that was my converted car dolly to a utility trailer. Alright, this ends my journey of getting the car lift. That's 80 miles. It was 80 miles one way, so 80 miles, and because of how fast I was able to go with this freaking dolly fishtailing on me, it took me about 2 hours to get there. And now it's taking me about 2 hours to get back. I don't think I actually left at 1 o'clock. And we are now almost 6 o'clock. So anyway, I am home. Alright, after the snowstorm is finally cleared, and I've got this line perfect with the garage. I'm not going to back it in any further, but I got it straight on. So now I can use the come along. And I'll be able to pull this, should be able to pull this right off of the trailer here with a little bit of maneuvering. Alright, that worked out well. I don't know when they shut down, but anyway, I used the car ramps, piece of plywood. I used the jack to sit under there momentarily, and I had to get it up so it wasn't going to yank the front part of my trailer apart. So it's now sitting here on the floor. It'll be no problem now. It'll just slide right down on the floor. I have no idea how heavy that thing is, but I'm sure it's pretty darn. I'm sure it's over 500 pounds. Okay, there we go. I don't think I got it centered where I want it yet. I think I need to take it that way just a little bit. But I got the hose and all hooked up, and we have longer cord, but at least I got it. He says it doesn't like extension cords, so it's a 110. It's only with 220s. Got a little button right here, and it's quiet. Very nice. There it is, not out of the weather. Not sure how high it goes. Oh cow. The last, he said there was issue with the lock. Is there one more? Oh, there's one more. Okay, there she is. And I think compared to me, here I'm standing straight up, so it's right under my armpits. So that's how high you can get a vehicle. Have no problems getting underneath it. Can't do too much. Can't do any real exhaust system, as you can see, but you can definitely do. You can definitely get under there to do the engines. And of course, you can do tires and brakes and rotors and drive shafts and everything else that I need to get done. And that's awesome. All right. Okay. Well, thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, definitely share. I'm not sure what the brake. For vertical mounting are is Duro. I don't know if that's the brand of the brand or not. Here's your brake. We can get that. I'm gonna make sure all these are nice and lubed up. I don't know how old it is, but I can get it cleaned up and put some paint on it. I like stuff painted. And we are good to go. You'll see it the next time, of course, when I get something on it. There's probably going to be that Explorer sitting out there. All right, so thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe.